pow, 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 pow. And then she got in her car and we went to Pizza Hut. She got a pizza. Gotta be doing. Okay, bitch, say it. I do. Yeah. I don't bring no bitches with me. Nah, I'm going by myself. I'm gonna bring my phone though. So you see in here, oh, have it for. You better spar with Layla Ali, bitch. To come do anything with me, baby. You better spar, baby. Hey, Layla, can they spar with you? Because they gonna need it, boo. You ain't gone yet, boy. His ass quiet, ain't he? You ain't hear a word, did you? Ungratefulness. Look at this shit. You ready to get back in your proper place? Because that door was open for your ass. That nigga sitting up there like this. He watching them birds hungry, looking for worms. It's gonna rain today. I'm sure you did let your, they be like, no, that's that nigga that was in the house chilling. You know what I mean? All right, he act like he can go. I don't hold nobody hostage, nigga. You out your mind. Now you good or no? Oh, okay. Nigga, I'm gonna let your ass ride. You can roll right out of here. I don't have no problem. One less nigga, I gotta do something for. Your black bougie ass. Oh my damn nerves. I be having these bougie ass babies. I spoil all y'all motherfuckers. You too, nigga. Shit. Yo, damn nerve. Damn. I didn't want to put him out the back though.